morning, this is Shomshikha presenting before you today's bulletin. First, the COVID-19 update. In India, the confirmed corona cases are 56,342, out of which 16,539 people recovered and death toll rises to 1,886. The active cases in India are 37,916. In Assam, the confirmed cases rises to 54. 34 people recovered and one person lost his life. With that, Assam active cases rises to 19. Now the national news. 200 Shramik special trains since 1st of this month and ferried home nearly 2 lakh migrants stranded in various parts of the country due to the coronavirus-induced lockdown, said Indian Railway. 40 such trains departed yesterday carrying 1,200 migrant workers from Chhatarpur to Madhya Pradesh. A day after Congress chief Amit Chavda alleged that COVID-19 cases spiked in the state because of the Namaste Trump event held in Ahmedabad. The Congress tweeted on Thursday that the party alleged that the country was paying the price for the 24th February event. Due to Namaste Trump publicity program, Ahmedabad has become hotspot in the state. 73% death is in Ahmedabad. With 24 fresh cases in another battalion, the number of COVID-19 positive cases among Border Security Force troopers and their family members in Tripura climbed to 86 in 6 days. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said on Thursday. Deb tweeted that fresh 24 positive cases were found in BSF's 86th Battalion in Ambassa, the district headquarters of Dhalai, 82 km north of Agartala. The Assam government on Thursday started community-based surveillance for influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory infections across the state to contain the possible spread of COVID-19. Briefing the media, he said that under the Assam Community Surveillance Plan, health workers including doctors would go to the 25,000 villages to identify the ILI and SARI cases in the villages, and sample would be collected for testing. Summer vacation, which was started from 1st of May, will be ended on 31st of May, declared by Himanta Biswa Sharma. He too announced that the result for matric and higher secondary will be declared digitally within June. And the books for second-year students will be distributed within 26th to 28th May, informed Himanta Biswa Sharma. A PG student of Guwahati Medical College has tested COVID-19 positive last night. Himanta Biswa Sharma tweeted, and also he said that for a few days they have closed the hospital for new patient. Special arrangement will be in place for patient already admitted and collection of new swab samples. 4 persons in Guwahati tested COVID-19. 1 of them came from outside Assam and 3 from Guwahati. Within 3 days of relaxation on travelling, many fresh positive cases are discovered. As Barak is under Kachar district and many other cases are seen in the town, it is declared as nodal district. More than 24,000 people are outside from Kachar. So whoever comes from northeast or outside to the nodal district, they will be kept in quarantine, declared by Assam government. Now the regional news. Lieutenant Colonel Jana Reimer of NSCN nabbed at Jirighat. Police officer of Lakhipur and OC of Jirighat with Assam Rifle started the mission after getting the information from crime investigator. Later they searched 9mm pistol, round cartridge, China grenade after digging the ground. Investigation is going on. Today is 159th Ravindra Jayanti. In the midst of lockdown, Arya Sanskriti Budhon Shomiti, by following social distancing and other health issues, tendered flowers in the Ravindranath statue at Silchar Rangikhari Point. Though all the cultural mass gathering are stopped, but Himanta Biswa Sharma suggested the student to perform at home and observe the auspicious day nicely. Without informing Assam government, 40 people came to Assam from Ajmer get contaminated to coronavirus. Mr. Islam, who came from Rajasthan Ajmer, was sent to Silchar Medical College Hospital, and 40 others are shifted from home quarantine to institutional quarantine. Neat and clean green zone Silchar having every chance of converting into red or orange zone, with the coming report on Friday, as more positive cases yet to come declared by Member of Parliament Rajdeep Rai. Till now, 5 positive reports of Ajmer returned in Silchar. Now the question rises whether really the third phase of lockdown relaxation is commentable or not. With that question, I have came to the end of my bulletin. Have a nice day. Thank you.